for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasie wie na wo penchensin papa ede abosom anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum ne true things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda
Hey! Hey! Aha! Hey, Ghana and some. Now me catch you say Ghana and some. Yet in some so Xposed it. Yes, say in some no. Die eko awa manyo die efa Ghana and some Ghana. When ya and some be a training keko Ghana and some things that is going for the well-being of me and you. Ebet mamba senya menewo your normal needs, our basic needs will be met in this nation. That is what we are looking forward to. I don't stand here for any political party because any political party does not what feed me. You are a hungry man. Yes, I'm a hungry man. Every hungry man that wakes up every day to go and find food. What you say, I dear what did you mean when you scratch was a basic answer? What I say. So when I am standing here, I am trying to help to talk about the things that is going on in our nation, the thing that is going on, that the ministers, the government, and the people of Ghana, the people who are responsible for the world policy and the well-being of the nation, will take control and take charge of it. People have been given the authority, people have been given the power, and they are misusing their power, and they are not doing the right thing. That political trench, political favoritism, I will say a free war. I will say a free war, and nothing Xposed it. Yakachina will say Ghana in some, yet in some so Yagasi MPP in some, Yagasi NDC in some, say Ghana and some family say Yebenya and talk. Let me tell you something. When we have employment, let me tell you something. Say Ghana focus to come your man. They will not need free education. Ghana focus to come here ma. They will not need a free hospital. Ghana focus to come here ma. They will not need to be renting house that is high expensive. Everything will be moderate for us. This is what we need. Our basic needs in this country is not being met. And our politicians are taking us for granted. That is the reason why we are here. Come on. Now me amedi jumedi ebra no me din di limo elikem kwame amega what I say. Na ende ensembi koso ensembi aba video bi aba na utia wunya mre na wunya time now will listen to this video. It will break your heart and it will make you think wise. It will make you think wisely about this nation. Sure, let me tell you something. That moment I stand here and I can't say, Ofori Atta, there is a video. Yeah, Papa KKD. Tina GTV so kasa ye. Say, oh, washem one the one who said, in conform almost the political finance institution and busuya it can Ofori Atta here Ghana for breno no do your percentage and the koni busuum and the koni to come, so he's not feeling the pain we are feeling. It is your money say they will not raise the revenue, but rather what they will do is rather go for loans so that they will get money into their pocket. And you see how there is another video that is going on. Another issue that is trending. Problems Ghana, problems in Namso, Chelsea to Boahen, Only Ofori Atta. They are Omo dribble Ghana for, Omo ria Ghana for, Omo the Ghana yes small enterprise. They are using us as a small enterprise. Omo the small scale business. These people, their companies were not regarded, but these people, when their party came into power, they are now regarded. They are now seen. They are now recognized. They are now making millions, not just thousands, so millions and billions of Ghana city from these people, these same people. And nipa tu weo, me nimi conform ni omeden. Eche Ghana sikano. These people are spending Ghana's money through what they have set up as their own companies. Say the American untiase. But I want you to get time. Say, Minia, share video ima obi. Share video, copy this link, share, and let people get to know what goes on in this country, wherever you are. I know you are at work. God bless your work today. When you go share with Juma away, send your money to be unprovided with the head amount. That is what I can pray for. Because you better a penny for your chair, you better pray. But God will surely take care of us. As wherever we are, He will surely provide our needs. It is a blessing. It is a grace. And it is a conk for us, children of the Most High God. Yeah. They can Ofori Atta the Ghana for you. Esaya mobile. And what comes when they are Ghana logo? Ghana security system. Say you security from the government. First, you know you were companies. We were having companies who were supposed to go and lead us, who were supposed to go. Now I have to say competition. We been the auction beko, we did petition beko, we did proposal beko, ni money post and I money contract. Say the antisa can Ofori Atta the Charles do Boahen and omo done the gurus. They are the one appointed. Obi anyone and I'm confronted no more than say someone than retailers. Oh no mbeko can Ofori Atta the Charles do Boahen so mu ya security what format from the government. And they will be making money. And in history, these people are still there. Oh. They don't even make any money. First, you know, it's a banking sector. You're ranking banking sectors in Ghana. Now you're ranking na fedi. Can you na data bank put in Ghana? Now so when the data bank by data bank really so me who bank baby I. That is what I'm talking about. But before, mama yan question video ni yete embra. Na ye say ye ba. Ye besa to aso. Ene ye nche bebre. Ye popo ye nsam so. Kasa dodo. Ai entoponko. Die wunya ni ye beka. What I say? I my question video number.
You would have read recently that I did a publication in which I accused Ken Ofori Atta and Charles Boahen of awarding contracts to be consultants or advisors to themselves, for which they are going to earn a lot of money. In that conversation, what I didn't tell you was that they also created a new category of advisors, which never existed before they came, and only created in 2021, called bond market specialists. That is where the catch is. You see, what the bond market specialist does is that they have constituted themselves into the monopolies of government securities. So previously, all players in the industry would go for an auction of government securities and compete for it. Now nobody can go there. The bond market specialist, out of 3 investment banks, Data Bank owned by Ken Ofori Atta, Blackstar Brokerage owned by Charles Boahen, and IC Securities also related, are the only 3 who get the auction. All other players in the industry are now their workers. They are now retailers of Ken Ofori Atta and Charles Boahen. So Ken Ofori Atta and Charles Boahen's companies will go and take all government securities. Then you go and buy from them and go and sell. So they now earn the fees from government. So competition has been collapsed. If this is not tragedy for Ghana, how do you call this? Look, In 2017, if you take the buy side of the market and you take the top 10, in 2017, IC Securities was doing 73 million. Data Bank was doing 100 million. Black Star Brokerage, 0. What did I say? 0. In other words, it was a non-entity. Nobody knew them in that industry. 2019, suddenly, Data Bank moved from 100 to 1.25 billion in 1 year. Then Black Star Brokerage from nowhere did 800 million by 2019. By 2020, Data Bank moved from this 100 in 2017 to 1.58 billion. Whilst Boahen's Black Star Brokerage moved from 0 to 1.950 billion. In fact, the most important player in the industry today. I didn't tell you that, did I? And they went and opened the accounts. Today, we'll do a full conversation. On the buying side, on the selling side, it is the same story. Companies that were formed a fortnight ago are now the ones milking us dry. And it is the reason we are borrowing on end. And they are not interested in raising revenue. Because if they raise the revenue and they don't borrow, why would they get the money to grow their companies like this? Black Star Brokerage 2017, 0. Then by 2019, they were doing 843 million. 2020, they were doing 1.65 billion. Cumulatively over 3 years or 2 years or so, they've done about 2.5 billion of government securities. Data Bank from 33 million sell to 440 to 66, and then now they are doing about 1.83 billion. See, there are very serious issues here that on the face of this you won't see. One, my checks at the Research General Department, as of 2 weeks ago, was that Black Star Brokerage is owned by a holding company called Black Star Holding Ghana Limited. Shell company. Black Star Holding is owned 95% by Boahen and 5% by his brother, Christopher Boahen. And he appeared before us and said he has transferred his shares to what? To a trust. That is lying under oath. I checked this after he came to Parliament to be vetted, and I can confirm that not a share has been transferred to anybody. In any case, the new Companies Act 992 makes it clear that it is an annual compliance requirement for companies to file beneficial ownership of their companies. Okay? How come they have not filed? So the company shares are still in the name of Charles Boahen and Christopher Boahen. I have also checked at the same time that Data Bank and its initial shareholders who contributed about 230 million, 1,000 Ghana, not millions, 1,000 Ghana cedis to form Data Bank, the shares are still in their name. It is not transferred to a trust. He lied to us in 2017 that he had transferred to a trust, came and lied again in 2021 that he had transferred to a trust. I am telling you, all those were lies on oath, per the records at the Research General Department. But what is even worrying is that how does a company with a share capital or a stated capital of less than 300,000 be allowed to risk state funds where we are doing an average issuance of about 20 billion a quarter? Now you take this company whose capital is just about 300,000. Do they have the financial models to underwrite 20 billion of government securities? Do they have the money to buy? Do you get it? So, because you are the ones managing the system, I can afford to give it to my company and trust that when they sell, I will get the money back for the state. But I would have made my profit without working capital. But you would have put the nation at risk. Seriously.
Yada any nine egua bontin. Yada dayetem. Ena Ghana for nine egua bontin. Yen pay for edie diagro. Omo die diagro. Omo di omo ye business. Ewe ye cheap. Omo di ye business. They are using this country as a small enterprise business to enrich themselves. tie video yi pa ken Ofori Atta ni Xposed Boahen want your friend say data bank advisors and blaster securities say no kofui te for Xposed Boahen ashada di adwuma na ye say was transfer shares and their money near the chili back nso boa ono no holding into source no by the words of this video ono no kita almost 95% shares company na than nine so Ghana and these people are making money in their pocket to enrich themselves and their families. Ochine bi obe ka kire say ye ya maame ne ya papa omo ambo bra itina yen ya bre no omo tuma ambo bra when you were youth in this country ma when you enter ho ya ye betuma gas yo na me dey menya politics and I mean family won shame. This is not politics so baby do so buy no oba power na enya campaign timer. It is not politics, it is about the well-being of this country. Only papa go to me fasika and say the koto kwom no kwendi. It does not go like that. And rather support this. So what is this political party about power? No more idea with family and friends. No. The question was say me no ye beside who say that should be party will be back. No more so repeating the same thing. What would they say to counter these people? What would they say? I don't understand these people. Or they came to destroy this country for us. Did they really come to collapse this country for us? Say ye paying for dreaming. There will be structures, things to policy, everything. And the way finance minister, I then Ghana sika sebi ube dibi. Xposed Boahen, we deputy finance minister. What for ye ube dibi? And then a bibia for Ghana sika semubia. Mo pese mo na mo tinaso. Mo free finance institution. Asa be Ghana security. What at all is it? And Kophobia no ombe nya asema kanten Kophomie no way. Hey, ya pa Kennedy, minimum say wo dia wo kasa. What is right to sense? I don't know. One send for Obia Kasa. Now these people are using this country as an enterprise. Ghana is not an enterprise. Ghana is a country. Ghana is a beloved place. Ghana is meant there to be developed. We are tired of being called developing country. What at all is this? What at all is this? And then and then I go to my way. I then pan a cost for my way. Xposed Boahen, sika sem pan a mope. Mo pesca the man compare to maybe anye. I don't mo be a business same. Obi omo mo business mo che homo ana. Omo mo ye mo juma mo bie real estate this mo wie sika na. As a be am be question. Sika mo ko bo busia de be campaign ba power. It you almost get it to 6 years mo team musika yana. Munti musika ni ya na munti wiye. Munti sika ni wiye. Xposed Boahen, Mr. Man. Ofori Atta within Namdodo. I don't know how. I don't know. Semi for incompetent. I don't know the name that suits you because you don't even fit the word incompetent. You are clueless about the economy of Ghana. You are just clueless for Ghanaians. You don't know what you want to do. You don't know what you want to say. You don't have any plans. You don't have any way forward. What dream unyansa nimdia wo bia wofa and na make catch it apem. Wo economic strategy edu class 1, edu class 2, edu class 3. Antimi antra biom uko school anka mabra we wie school jai school our class 3. Uko school ka u jai school our class 3 when it comes to this economic basics. Nim dia no asa apem na nipa so de o ya de sa na odu baby na o crash ya you ask for consultation, you go for people for an advice but the bidda o man na say gbegben hey gina o so le anko fo be yi eto because una munim e na una wunim dia wa ye muna munim dia mu ye e na mugusu ye editia Ghana fo inti yanka baby ni ye ka sese o wofa to me ya yensa wa anka wonnie sebe o ti ma peniti akonwe obeka se me nua adwuma ne de Me and me do buy. I send your mind kono de. Right now, my me phone sin chain. But I say no before for so the embra. Now Ghana phone bunto me because I can't pay 2 years near soil. I come with just 2 years to be out of this country. I then I move for 2 years in drink Ghana phone kaka. I then I move for 2 years here cause we and drink Ghana phone. And drink and say yes so you win here. You so one fast war. I then. See the make actually money. If you don't know, that is the reason why we are here. If you have not heard it, and I won't tell you, and this is what is really going on when it comes to Ghana security. It is a say, Ghana no a very small kind of people who are making money. It's let me tell you something. Going back into the 19s, where Ghana was trying to gain their independence, and after independence, nkofo mu bedi so Akufo-Addo sebi omo papa, and nkofo mu nya political post no ekwan omo fo so a the mafia Ghanaians ewia ye gold, ewia ye nyoma, e de kwa mononi ko be investment. This is the same thing we are going through now. Let me tell you something. I pity the president who will come after Nana Akufo-Addo. Because only pano obetu amane, obetu ohao, obetu yone. No kwa wantwe ya Ghana for because hey, na ya tu abama oni dia usube ye nie. Isu na nya problem. As much as Akufo-Addo buy him, say the problems are here what they blame the past government. Na nyamia dum COVID anyway, Russia and Ukraine, Roma. Ne use so much excuse no. That's the same way when that past government comes, it will not be easy. Ghana. When they leave power, me say 10% for Ghana for people yet to me from free phone. Our mind we yet to me for people our mind we yet to me for pin our mind we because the car any normal our Ghana no ya funny ni na ye react ni na ye did basa mismanagement hey you're paying for a boy, bro. We are suffering, and the people in this nation really complain that yes, we have a lot going on. It's what do you say? Oh, anka any pound crabby political party about power no would do more. Uncle Crabby so found Yesika craft and make it from the government. No say initiative by the view. Power no and uncle for with back power. No, their initiative ne say I was say young one yet tackle be behind your fat. So when our agriculture sector making sure say your family and friends. When our finance minister making sure say your family and your people. When our infra portal whatever do it like a young one year home you really a chiches can at the portal. To your my room. People who are not recognized in this security institution, I am regarding almost say, oh, about Ghana security, you have and security from the government, and then top rankers, they are making 1.2 billion and above, and just do Boahen, they are making Ghana, they are making money, eating on the finance sector, they don't think about us. Only Papa could go taking this charge, all this charger. I don't know. Me nim sika yempini phone kwa pe. And then yet the kana na tukuye. There me ya say ye kwaje busuan de pa o man we mu no. No ni pe bi de me no ba ko tua wo. No ni pe bi de o make percentages e de ko to ko. More amount of money. Sika ni dosu aburo so. So when these people leave power here for 20 years, they will not even come and beg Ghanaians. But yesterday Nyankopon me dem si de pia me. I will rain it on this place. Miss Wonipe Bia why na tirimu po so obedi Ghana man we sika. Onyankopon man funny sika no ensayale from my mouth and I say it today, now and forever. Wonipe Bia obedi sika. Mane ma enya sika no so sin di sanfaso no so da. Mane ma embre in the name of Jesus and no ena memeka. because me when you say you pay for penny bottle it ye di nyame asem ye nkofo atoa ye nkofo bibia me na me te me ho me na me ti o man o mu e na me so onipa bi o te Ghana ha because some ye ba vote you mom no matena power. Do you know what they do? They swear by the Bible. All listen to me ni Bible nim it ye as children of God and I ye see a jinyame di e was see a mom say we have to prove to these people that hey mundis kanna munko ba woni pe bia wo be fon aye na adwe ye wo mo ya mo post eye dey oni pe bi didi woni adwuma ho ba omo ma adwe ye omo se omo ni da ho omo be boy aburo sika ne ba omo tam e de go mu kotoko omo fa apan cars omo person mu taking all possessions of Ghana's property omo ye so mo boy aburo no onyankopon ma omo sikei omo fa sayale omo ba edu omo so a mo omo ba ni timi di sikei bi da mo omo ba ni yale wo ba ni hu sika so basa. They should never be able to account to enjoy this money that they stole from Ghanaians in the name of Jesus. I say me to my no. So police want me take national security to me take possession. Police want me take security sir. Ya kaka asem band. Hey, yes you be kan ya adwen. You be dey try Yankopon. We will come close to our God and we will reign it and reign it. Oh, so you are hungry. Yes, I am looking hungry. Look at my face very well. I look very hungry. But don't worry. When the time that I look hungry, these people also know that we that hungry, we serve a living God and they will bear it. Say because you paying for your national security, your police for no, it at all costs need be biano. Why never question? Because it is the president that appoint the IGP. It is the president that control the security system. So what can you do to them? They cannot do anything. Precious prosecutor no or you use 77 or you clueless or you useless. At the man Ghana then for it is sad about the so what will you do? We will pray. Obi anya yata for me say mo amoko asole a mo bomba ye ele matamfu nyo obi a. When it comes to your basic needs, now we bobra wo mind we mu. Now we hospital nyoma ukọ, now we bre wo hospital ho. Ukọ pe Ghana ka ji se utu sika. Adie bia je se utu sika wo ma sana wa no. Enye wo tamfu bia na ye wo. Wo fie baifo bia ndi wachi o. Eyeye my pinifo, e na ye kabekire. Any so physically they are vultures, they are sucking our blood, they are sucking our blood, they are putting us into debt, they are putting taxes do na blood na ye chino. Omo disikani we na sikani mba near the tax na be good pots. Near the spa tax no have a good revenue tax collection. Na me no we tua revenue for na kasa so nim say e ka na e ba no enye Ghana for ye pay for na but kwabrane nim say o ti revenue no wo ye mistake ye pay na di. It is send ye to me ye auditor general every position no sa na tie wo ka no kura ye beji wodi. The president will just talk. It's yet to memu or be a manager of an airport. No, ti wona do abade ebe ko do in the office ni akache say o mapenyin yiwodi without no official statement because obi enu accept oba kwasho mapenyin say how did you get this person laid off and then ma wo yi no power bia kito obi ansa pacha. So they are sucking our blood. They are sucking our blood. They are sucking your blood and they die slowly. Hey, your well-being it's not health. It's when it comes to health, it's not health. When it comes to say obacos, don't say a basic needs. It's supposed to be provided. And you're buying a baby sifiama worldliness, and you're buying a baby provided. But your better living or your better condition is supposed to be provided by the government. And you're buying a baby sifiama. Over to see housing projects. Over to see your Google the amount. But there be. Oma we yentesa ti bibia koye and everything that we want bibia koye everything that we want when they are similarly basic things that other countries in the European and the Western world are enjoying. We are not enjoying this country. We are not enjoying it. How can we even enjoy it? How can we even enjoy it? How can we enjoy all these stuff in this country when this is what is going on? When two or more people have decided to sit down, Me say these people, the name mafia for them is true. They are mafianas. Mafia Ghana for where a gangster level in a degree way. Where I just a gangster near Chiwon, no mafia, but on for 20 seconds you so ye. Or dinini ne no, and then the body temperature, the body stature, and what the now, or the boatiness, what chill dear was away. That is what is going on in this country. And no, and of course, woman. Ye mafia yo. Ye mafia ye that a debia also here and yasem pada and the year one say it always look like omo bo abani chimpa abani nasem. Really? Ghana ye de yempe. Ghana ko ye de yempe. Aden o man we be doing instead of taking care of things that is not going on well, especially when it comes to the well-being of Ghanaians. No school na atitia pansa ni ye se ni ye no ni ye beka finance minister o di Ghana sika. Are we not ashamed of ourselves? Ni eba beka wo bia wanya time edi no akosho edi proposal akosho no go make sika out of Ghana. So whilst Ghanaians are getting poorer, these people are getting richer, and they will come and tell us they make plans, they went to school. Omuni 3 years, omuni 3 normal papa so that they went to school. Me mankind. Omuti no ma pampa so say omu go school. Forgive me if I am saying words out of pain. Yes, people will comment, people will write, you are hungry. Yes, we want our people to know we are hungry. We are tired of what is going on in this country. The youth want a better Ghana. The youth want a future better for our generation too, because we will not be like this forever. We don't want to also come into this country and have the plan or the agenda that when we also get any of the youth get power, all they want to presume is to think about their family. Come on. Ade. Why? Why Ghanaians? Why us? Now me start trying some so. That no assemblyman be aka no. Na sa asem we de the assemblyman ya ye na ye ni mu say anka assemblyman we asem we FC. It goes in the range of the political arena. Party say what power, because they be ye ni mu say ansa na party bi beba power no projector enya me na enya say we ya leg we kra o na make you all know enya say party a aba power. Send a main kana wunti ase MPP ebaba power. Na adwin ye say project end this year no on twaso. It end this so ba power. Of lise project MPP here no one twaso. Na menim say sa this political ego any fight ni argument ni power fight no koso within this political terrain. Sana menim say a didia basa to the extent say issue no an assemblyman alcohol be a youth in the town of Aguna Swe draw baby and a boy yaka say oh bridge be because I'm sure say baby omo fan omo tra gutter and at the bridge bridge be either senior highway bridge you know bridge because inso fast here when the minim say inso fast here and a boy yati on one kotokom sika oti ni kotokom sika no se sadia obeye bridge ama manfo afaso assemblyman enya njeun o say abrantepa una onim de ye magana una onim pesa o kire me se minim de me ye wo me man mu adenti na wan kan kire me assemblyman ansa na wo ye bridge no it is say akulei ana young man entumi an kan kire assemblyman ne se o pesa o ye bridge nti assemblyman na anya hwi o friend kofo fa hammer fa chisel fa nyoma akade edi bubu ade de say ade Ghana de nsiesie ade ba ye say ade enu wo kodu wo na akoyire ne ho enu wo bubo bridge ni na edugu wo ade akwabrane wante aban sika wenwia meni wo sika yenyi Ghana ha yendie yabo ye boso mpo ye de ayempo ye hu anu kwabrane chibi di koni kotokom we di wanje aban sika nkope aban sika mfiri bebi o nanso we di wenya mre enya tumi akase me dwe me man ho ebe boa me aboa me ni me nkrofo aye wo man ni assembly man so we dwa line wa pile line o se kai ene sa one can chire me nti one for the necessary produce the odi be nti we bubu o se den we bubu sa die yi ni na we bubu bridge no question me be so adie the assemblyman who because one let me tell you something assemblyman Adrian say he is not doing the best and the right thing for the people in his town it guy ayes adie so was standing as an assemblyman oberi it adie na assemblyman here one for the people and not for any permission or you for any selfish interest. It's our people in this country, they do things for their own selfish interest. Assemblyman, hey, Sabayan to me a mousika. What to make catch your mind? Sabayan mousikenti. So you will find a way and let this on my way on my way through. And Obian take it on the assemblyman. I say we are got trial. Obian found because enya semi fan serious but say em paying for it aye politics aye tan say emane didimu sa e dia ba straight to the grassroots of an assemblyman to the decentralization of the government what then assemblyman sebi the why ye ntwe you e jimi sem na posem we ya bro any beyi aden te say na we bubu sade yi wo beye bia na anka we na ye mampanyifo na ye tu nkofo e wo ma we mu asore preko pe apegye omu ayaden akonkofo we ho aka chese assemblyman say we tu mebubu ade yi die we give you some time do this when to man nya dia ye be yi wodi ye be ma veto power to leave power or resign so there be asemo ayetra enam hokwa obia emfa obia endwen so say ye sebe nsem bi eno abrantie kokan fa oman we hu anoman pin we a kase bi nya police wa domfo a omofa plane omofa say me dem say me kan omofa car ne bus mu tractors akofa say wakasa against the peace of the nation and wakasa against the threat of the nation until we see again ko to counter back no anya careful obetie na sikana nke bi odi be si bridge no ya mo akotua e wo court oman ya yetimuni omaya Ghana for etimuni omaya yetimuni omaya ye koso a ya fa ne say nsema ye hia enie in a nation that we call a beloved country say ye be boaboa ho bibia anya aban ho ebia obekofwe bridge we akoye FCA enye bridge bia o eye quarter bi bridge kitwe bia enya nkran sika enye bibia na aban be fini ne bebi owo Ghana economy en so bi we ti so bia ina kum se me ya ade e de ma ye man akomatom ebetuma ye temporal ade na moma ade we nya temporal for 2 years bi na se later we nya contract na opesa we ye no extra one na we bubu no ba we bubu ne se ankofo no mo man no omo fa den so we omo mo krom na sebe omo adwen daw we assemblyman mo storm ne fie a che ne say within 2 or 3 days he should construct this bridge because obi adwen man no obeya man na wontumi ye na wo bubu a you have to be held responsible this will be anyhow because there is and say emra organa o ba mra no e wo mo edi omo e wo mo efa omo sa abusu same way Ghana for so tie bi. Coming back to it, and indirectly, me pese mi ma the project a bind data because come in Kuruma de ye ka ye be bre ye ka come in Kuruma sema Ghana for be bre Ejuma ben na Kwame Nkrumah enja ewo Ghana hada. Ade we ekoso se obi aye project na so obi aka so on to aso no enye nde o. E started with Kwame Nkrumah presso. Ye to abani ye Kwame Nkrumah pe the oba ye po and dream po say there is another factory. They collapsed all the factories and they were thinking about their own selves. Tishrin kosu ene sikedie bosiagie sikedie ye exporting gold ni ye de bi shebimu ye de bi share other companies other institutions just to enrich someone's family. Eti adi wenti ene man ku di ta to so because obi hu say hey me you we free ho na me so me ba menya say eti enye ne Kwame Nkrumah matches factory away sugar factory away. Na Ghana, ye made in Ghana bucket. So I 37 bucket na a ball upeja na ball na so be no. Away. Company say ejijashin room. Enu body ye nka say oh, ya ba Fourth Republic enu de ye German na rote enko. Obi adwe on, so de omu benya grom kotokum. Ma ama so hwehwenim nti. Wo se wo pese wo ya de ma Ghanaians. Esa se wo pesika, e de gu kotokum nti. Yes, wo de se wo de se binyansa kro na wo de bo Ghana fo a. Echi pe Ghana se, a de ne wan koto a de Kwame Nkrumah jijesi wo no. A de ne wan ma ya fo sika ko shem, ama ya re-establish na revive sa companies. E na wo so de wo chiche bosia kese, wo chiche sika kese. E na wo sisi hospitals, wo sisi dai, wo ye hwehwe ni madwuma. Nso nim se ye wo project a Kwame Nkrumah jegu ho a ye betima fa sansase no ne ya to aso be sanse opese wo diga na fosika wo ni wa pan fosu diga na fa broti e na wo fosika no it say 10 billion na mo di 5 billion ye na dia kan mo trade and then I do two opposition and I tell now right in Ghana first say I and a young mamo and a young mamo and a mama yawo and a way your mama would sika. So ya jigwa ya na je was so yan say I got some mono and send Ghana I got so being our light and in your man cost na mama I was so Kwame Nkrumah nyoma ojaye and no me yama Ghanaian for esa se pesika gu mu ko to community ti mu ko chi lo be ye project na economy ni mu dwen ho na de wa boy de eye kun de wa be eye kun onu a onye project onu so economy ni dollar ni na da for me dollar na da eni ye tietia no so we de dollar no wa da o na sika ye tietia no so say ye tietia o so ade ye tietia o so cda mi tietia o so mi tietia o so Sana Ghana abe sisi. Sana Ghana abe sisi. Sana Ghana abe sisi. You're paying for the dia block. Now come to it. Mama, previous government, Jina Kumem, so di esiko, so any deal. Or say you wanted a better Ghana, a better education, a quality education. Oh, I and a Ghana for DSika, you pay for DSika, Mama, dear, go me buy me free education. Mama, Bible wanna me go through. My mama free education. My mama say, me mama, me daddy me chamada. Say they were done the chamayo, and what's up to you? What done the chama and what's up the mass? God come to be a satu the chia. Oshwe tikon kra asa ese bonsam be yi a we hia anaju de suom wo ye kra obesa rewa kan na blocks Mahama city ho school blocks ankofo ekopie ye yi papa yi free power pe enye ja blocks yi ni na agu ho ema emunsam kosi sa to the extent say blocks come on man, me person who place our videos, pictures of e-blocks ya abandon e Ghana ha. E-blocks ya abandon Ghana ha. E ma ye nya aigbefo e ni bi okase o. Ye see e-blocks do me school ha, e ye see free education. Nkofo nya bi nkom, e ye nya mampeni obetena simpie so, betena Peace FM. E kasi kwase asem. Onya onfa ni sika nkasa nye. Sa asem we sebe. Eye Asantimania, you better make assassination. Favoritism and political tribalism. A cosoda. It me. ya abandon school no edi money the chief here ya recently na ye ka say school no ye bie and it is now ready for completion. Teacher say Ghana ade say na wan bie wa no ankasa na wa ye kakra ade na nkoso da ya abandon schools so you see a quality education, you see a free education, boost textbooks kwa yentumi nye textbooks kwa yentumi create esan say ye pesi ye dada Ghana for near the really second term ye dada Ghana for near to be really power ye dada Ghana for near security and ye free education sekenim free education school nim free education nim free education sekenim free education come home free education uchire home and no kwa na Ghana for dey free education be ni percent who go schools blocks Mahama try say anka obesisi wo other your friend say other schools obe go school na bia na ye see science lab ye to aso say school be on ma area na che ye pese ye siri fofo aban we ba so wan dwen wo say okay ade metuma dey really Ghana fa come say me to a project be so na me so me be fa ka media ho say if political opposition party ni ka say me nya hwekra me ka say for the betterment of Ghana e was say me to me nua de so and ye be project e be bo ma ya continue other project of the past government into the bitter. Iti kwabrani nya time and no nya time no collapse sugar factory and no mobile power iti to revive na Ghana from feeling no and answer this car sugar factory and see sugar one who saw video na sugar factory fianko for employ more sugar factory look at the all big company say in the panel more employ come do 100 a whole factory never to more than even maybe 1,000 people and now 500 personnel into that institution almost do even 100 political power gains. It will be un kwabrani who video na bon kwabrani or nipa baako then I say company ya ban juma I say a running shift obi cost 6 to 12 no obi so got 12 to 6 just to create employment but there be yenye now we e blocks what Ghana schools institution me see cameraman jibio no mo hwe e blocks ye jago yeah. Coming to it again. Shenyansa semo enye boni mobile. Free affordable housing project. Aye chawo Ghana. Ye dina ya tikrowe sagleme. Maama sudie onyambre obedi esike bia no akosi bibie esi wo. No aye ne bacha. Se maama wo so wo dwen Ghana ho a sika o kasi udi si sagleme no. You should have done better. There was some affordable houses no. It will be a mama saving government you on drink kakra. That $220 million no should have complete agreement affordable housing and project near to be ready and stand that the next government should have come into power. What are you talking about? $220 million. Zan dino I was see a completely rented. It will be a apartment we buy no. Not just say to us ahead and echo. Me kai mere be affordable housing project kufo sisi wo ene minim se sasa affordable housing project no nkofo gusu timu dia minim nkofo kra minim situation ye bie se rent control Ghana rent control omo no take care of the affordable housing project minim da he minim obi mbe kire me no cheme affordable housing project what Ghana ha ye ka se institution we and they take care of it me kai se kufuo mi swa o ye bi o si bi o so le ye pe ya ntoa so say go see a complete yo see any day Ghana phone him we don't have government channel especially GTV benyamre no ma into this public setting to know say government ade bi ojaye no yeah to aso na just to bring any political talk obeku no akutwa housing project no na ma Ghana for create alarm because ye nim de ekoso e create alarm na ye say mo nye project yo na ban na kofie no there bi mo to na nkwase asem na mo tisa station so e na mo di not one and kwasa sem na station moody. So we a government station. You have to get them and now and there private journalists and they go share Ghana no ma can room or because almost the mo pede I was say viewers better station no mo nya musika enuntia so government station and to me say oh for your housing project be you go just send your heading akoso oh where you say you are the people to make the everyone abana kasa oh waba power nation say no more person yenti e na ni we fi other project it won na obeba be bon kaye na who play who advertise on social media platform na Ghana for kasa fa ho na yakọ take initiative about it so there be it is a housing project I can't remember. And Ankofo, ye gusu ende, ye nya regional minister, and on them no bubu kios. On the day say, ope clean Ghana, and on them no bubu kios. And ye born abaso, oh, why are dear, and I wouldn't say Ghana for where no more kios me. Omo na do election, omo costa line, no more ya, omo kuomo, omo bomb puto, no more yo muse, moving the power beer, matchom so they said here, omo your fee, they don't deserve to be in those kiosks. Na me bisa say affordable housing project no yetimi fa nkofo yenkogum Ghana nyansa keke ye ni bi e na 220 million said mahama nya bi e di kosi project wanwie po a wono o se sika se wo de ye e-levy o se sika se wo de ye Ghana card be se ne bi mu nya card ne bi we nya dan o card e metima sum no mabum se gbe o betima so keke no akobu settlement housing project Omaya yetimuni yo. Omaya yetimuni. Omaya menyo yetimu. Ensema yehu. Na me catch say aha eye Ghana ensem. Ye say ensema yeteso no yata say ye beji efri ho e de amam. Ensem de dos eye asefem eye aposem wacha say nso ye beka ama ye mempanyifo ne yenkofo hu say Ghana has to be better. De bia me de meka Ghana ebeye you. The billion yen quarremoso. Minia aha a Xposed GA. You see no Ghana and beyond. Subscribe. What I say. Share na wumi binya den enwubi. Send ya wo hwem se say nyamre share. No obi mbra no metie nsempa. Nsema wo Ghana. The things that otiwo na emme mu na e cause with depression to your financial status no. Aha, release your mind and comment. Kawadwen. O kawadwen obe boache me kwa bobi kreme. And I make a choice. I'm a Josu. Hey! Ghana and so yet in some men soon I miss our now me child say you abandoned project a gusunam Ghana. Abandoned project a gusunam Ghana. A bit some hospitals. I do me quite so I say a need to think. Need to present and flow be a from number 4 chances near the Omma. Omnyoma and a namasio one from need roofing. Yem Franco for Froby and my own bua poor me do a bro there be need to be 4 chances so come friend need roofing. Need to say friend. And then I will change. In Soto as a table storms a bought 1 3 year and bought chances it took an order and I basa. Unyoma would be better for. Chance in the Fendi agro, Fendi truth no may do amount. I may catch your try and some so. And some and Ghana who be play pictures of hospitals. Ayeja, Maninko 1 by 1. Ghana for you. Hospitals ayeja. Neshe dia de mete ba kokra de emete pokeke. Hospitals are abandoned and so your president say or your agenda 111 agenda 111 agenda 111 no yangu ye me won say me ka no ye me won your friend say asasi po ya kati sodo isu yesi agenda 111 agenda 111 hospitals ye besi isu your hospitals are yesi in the past previous government ya abandon ye even commission ye abroni beyenti kasa nana we show boy nana wo kasa keke so we bema na oni obatia nana me kan kra na akire o kasa kwa wo nyehwe o kasa kwa wo bema wo kasa kwa wo bema na nka oni obata anka we bema mu ko 2 minutes o kasa o dawa no kwa me na me ka na wa kasa che Ghana fo che itimu na mo na Ghana mu kai se na call bobi my kwanso say in for pampram yes o ko bo ko kate so e no yin ni bufu yo say bra jasa won kwase asem no sebe jasa won kwase asem no ne your friend say project a wo de o say o tete no o kate so o du baby a o so kate so Obe kati so de wi na wo di hopes abe hye mind for him. No we am the pressure beto ye so. Ofa jaisa system no. O man yen solving we project. In sema waka so be boa Ghana no. Anka wo jam the project na wo for failure. Ghana for wo me ha kra ni beti ho. O man panyi emisraw jaisa system ho. Ensem ho. They say they ehu Ghana de ya ensem ho no. Ya ensem ho no. Agenda 111, agenda this. Project and now hospitals and now more yes what that. A bit more chase too. A bit more bubu. What kind of country is this? A tutu chance a full rim, a cocky can rim, and number man rim. A quiet do cost agreement says I bush 1 year careful and Joseph agreement. Aden. Mama Bobo hospitals in job. I may come on better. 1. Yawo Kumewu District Hospital. Kumewu District Hospital. Chese Ashanti memu. Emra konfu anochi. Eko chese. Obedue kumu biebi. Na diebe wuno. Na ya chenu kumase. Na aye Kumewu no. The next town of Ashanti region was say yebe decided the cities of Ashanti region Kumewu. They wanted to build Kumewu District Hospital, and the Kumewu District Hospital no aye basane da ho. Ye next Fomina District Hospital. So kai sa abatwa ye to ya MP yes go MP hey pa man dey hwe. If anybody have a congratulation, they should give him. Because nipe be also be free political party so be ko individual or will support all. Now so this man he went singly and he went massively. Now to tell you say as this man just being individual and your name PPT ne two man no ye two man as the individual or training mind phone or training call phone or no and or this hanging parliament na be den abegu on. That man ni ho no ya abandon the district hospital. Ne district hospital mutumi nyema no na oso obesa to aso bioma musi wonsi sika boni amubedinti yesi wonsi ni obi fufro nko ono say me mind for my chio ma chem kotokom my chio ma chem akumem mu de mu Ghana for the chem kotokom na mu yesi sika e na mu di ni debia but for me na no oso wo chi ni mind for edun kotokom entansi say obi adina political party anemu o mu ye popular no waka say adawa ye ananda the term o say me may cause single-handedly. No one say winning massively. It doesn't happen in this nation. And a man will say Jinabium or say winning. It should tell you say how he won the heart of the people in that constituency. Fomina District Hospital na Basan and Namon. Fomina District Hospital and the Namon I Basada or Sam. Yakobio Ofori Military Hospital. Send yesi 37 military hospital yesi ni die mu ayefe na Ghana phone na kobi no yesi anka military hospital obi na se bia apam asrafo a omo so jam ebia omo so benya permission to omo afari benya time akọ access to good hospital help good better hospital no ebi ni Ghana de bia na dan me kote ya se mi body ho me enyese mi body ho na me nkoka no se mebro na mama brown di ni birthday o say wa man ko for 1000 yen national health insurance mama na me ye de nhwehwani mu no wo Ghana na ye chiri o utu baby na wo ye showbiz atela baby na ye showbiz Ghana for nya nkola wa ko chiri sam ko for say wo ye national health insurance amom 1000 maybe say question national health insurance no if any dey ko aboy da baby, on my economy, you want public hospital that I didn't national insurance. I shall go for that. Jale sem kwana ya na mudi fishweni mu ni nya twonwa mana hypocrite life na mo ye no. O cheche 100 Ghana mo kra kan si omo. Omo ko mo di omo se na be kosa na set insurance hospital no. E dey fishweni mu no. Wo di u baby, won hwe so na won di u baby. Na dan ma beti na ma say why 1000 health insurance. Obi etuma kana obi bonsem we bonsem Ghana health insurance na ye anka ye ni na ma Ghana health insurance ye anka ni na ma ke nja nkofo mo ko hospital na o ka hospital mo tumi duaka wo ni health insurance ana health insurance o ko hospital na o person mo show free procedure ko share dey si me ko hospital amre bi ma ko to hospital na me tina hospital no na hospital amedui oh be health insurance me ni hospital health insurance Me yes say me do say me to aduro no. My many friends say me born inside. Na me meji duro. Thomas o, just say me ma go boundary. Me call e ma me be onu do kita insurance. O person to aduro man ba. Pharmacy say ma me health insurance embo ma unto ade we. Me na me call na me ko to aduro ni di ma me no. This is almost issue I make 4 years ago. 4 years ago now. I say me na wo ka kire me no. Na wa ko health insurance dem aka for. It is better who koye who prescribe omu so omu from bodwa. Who pay ni 100 out of them na omu 1000 Ghana say on for you man crack esin omu. On be you to be the sika dey hospital without health insurance. Mama, hwehwenu nyoma no ye mpe. Mu ni na bi mu abegina so mbo ye MP. Sa na mbo abe mo diga na fosika. Say Sunday what Agan Accra Regional Hospital. One say a regional hospital and one radio. One say region be I will see in regional hospital. Ye pesi ye see Ashanti Regional Hospital. Ti Asante form de mu gina ona sebe me hu se na meka no. Ya je ya drink ti bonkosofo. Na ye ti wona ya ndwin mu ndwin ma mu hu se o ma mpanyifo e o mu ndwin ho. Ashanti Regional Hospital ye see awie. O konfa no chi dan ye see ho. Kufo breso sikani edi, Mahama breso sikani edi, Akufo do breso ye twa sikani ama Confirmatory extension, hospital extension, baby extension, ma ya say sikesi dan, ye just dem si wo sa na ye se bubu dan egu fun. We emrebu Ghana. Omo mu di sa project to aso ma ntuma ma yensi sa dan we. Sikani ya se na edi egu ko. Fa ye be bubu, say se o, dan e bubu go. Enti se na atie na ye tumi to aso ti. This ye free that or confirmatory sa building na won ye se ye be to aso no. Ni yakọ bubu no. Ni yakọ frɛ omo a ye di project momo from Akufo Breso where the project ni show say bia ye twes kama o wontuma anko ni afro wa bakod no wa man raise ya den tia wontuma anto aso tu ni aba Mahama Breso na mre wo oman ni mu ene ne di say bra ya say sika say bubu sa hospital no to so bra be kire sika no den tia wontuma anto asa dan ne so ewia ni ya saba Mahama Breso ni ya kire atabos Breso Akufo do Breso sika ye twa no ono de ni ye genesis geni ahwese sika na ye di ama no o de beto aso ana na ko previous ones ya mo ko dem ntumi betena o ma wo mu di sika kese so what I say ni ya mo ko dem ya mo ko de prison what da wo bi wo ya kire o say wo power ni dia ye be ja wo basa wo project ni we wia na oni pakra ye this settlement project and now this abandoned project in real church say they tin na what ba account ya kire Ghana for say they tell want to make because ye ma osika o say o di real project no it then e ka he na che say we discuss ya chiwa kotum we nye big deal sadie we ye jack churches for no kwa to do their own job e institution ka bia Ghana mra ye tuma ye just sankofo we ato just to do this. Omu wo honum they are there are capable so mo there omu found no matter who you are a seven project ya years ni anto aso and now what mo aba account ya tro mo say ni senti na mentuma anto aso we tuma yi wa no pa akodemu be 10 years no wo sua nya so mo say we discuss so sika na mo awo so there be nso confirmatory project ya say sika ya say sadan e almost $500 million. They see say be sika for they say sadan ni biom say simple dia meaning. Not coming back to it. You see Ashanti Regional Hospital. Hospital yo any abando. A regional hospital. Yankasi LPP Regional Hospital. Yankasi NDC Regional Hospital. Yankasi CPP Regional Hospital. Yankasi Ashanti Regional. Yankasi Ghana. For the Ashanti people. It's Ashanti for Musori Jina. Your regional hospital is being abandoned. Oyalia. Okwana obako tsa oyalia. Oyalia obako sa heba hospitals now. Omoni na on social media. Na mu chankofodi because omusome un say they don't give better health institution from the government to the people. It's omeba yenchenti would na Ashanti region heba institutions no ados gbegbe. Mo mama adwenda o minuanu. Mo mama adwenda o minuanu. Mo mama adwenda o. They have abandoned the Ashanti Regional Hospital. My interest apichan. It has been abandoned. You abandoned the Ashanti Regional Hospital. You abandoned that all. It is abandoned. The pictures of nice hospitals. Ah, we gusu ye juma. O konfanoche for benya sa pressure no. We are konfanoche for benya sa pressure no. Pressure munyan we. Adey. na yako north Garo Timpani Hospital na mo de sebi mo wo upper east the northern part of Ghana me cut the 5 northern part of Ghana northern regions ni na ya bubo no ma budget mama so de say wase o akumewu Ashanti region Formina Ashanti region Ashanti Regional Hospital so 3 in just a whole nation a whole state I was say a buana nkofo development so be on kase free. Look at a selfless man who talked about the people but tribalistic government in tea nkofo andwena anhwe sanwo we nina eno mutu abadi at this past government and sani panel say or tom na waba no wambeto project so eno odi na no aka twom say oye 101 agenda 111 besi na agenda 111 no so o chira na besi under 25 kra minimum da na feel Garo Timpani hospitals ye just yo in the north ya just yo o mama o kan kwa na nkofo tuti a won say akwa we bia o free afi na beka chese Asante nkai eye nkwasi asempa na waka no bebia ye ndo no njan free o enko bebia ye do na ba omi aso nya time na wa use strategy en wo koye na sebi wako data ni nkofo because mama nya sebi ni na hospital tumi ko si ya Garo Timpani abo we free service we free hospital we free power no and afedi one na wako ka kire yi ya friend say wako kati maternity so enye nu na Ghana fo behwe enye bibi pa na Ghana wo no kwa yi tutia no probeto fro besi akonya so kwasi asema akwa na o pese one na o pese within heart you should do the partial way hospital be na go si wo voter region na hospital be na go si wo central region na menim dia Asante na menim say na person win power strategy na failure afela na say Asante nwe ai me kan dewe na Garo Timpani che Asante we ticket to we o che no kwa bro na che one place upper east upper west Garo Timpani ya abadi na wo kasa no kwa po oni ni nkofo kra de usi kro wa dogi omo apart we dey mafia o. You cut them, they are mafia people. You can't they are mafia Ghanaians. Hey, as for the one mafia. One mafia. On your friend do gangster. One mafia. I tell you, say you need church shele. You need fail noko. So catch them say, mo kai me ajeje ye constitution ya. Oni nkofo sorry ye kuprepre ye say, ye mbwani ye sisa constitution. Na mo tell na woni. Jeje o ye constitution for his own self interest. Mo ntina Sabi Jamin for the country ye. Now join so one constitution here. And for his so selfish interest. And in the same money more. On super and say, oh yes, sir, once sir. I feel now no about no dimu than ya. Oh, you so size constitution or see yes, sir. And no dear boy abroad. Nobody nyanya facially. Me town when not de ko. Moon to me yan free. Nya ben no konye banya fee. Ah. I was any better. Moon ko mi. She do am to my ko mi. Mon yashi. Baka you call me. Aka you call me. Me tell them so my ka. Moon to me yashi. What is so o dinane o nana. O dimuso. No be dimuso ye. Some say mo nyansa. What? Na me sakote ya that crowd European hospital come on ya fast picture ne to e na Ghana fo hia that crowd European hospital na nkofo we dey stress omo dey fantifo no say omo park of sem no ho iti omo ma o na obeti omo ma dey from Smith enkola from we o se e wo Ghana ha because abrofo no dey omo pai no omo bombu yie pa I told me to takradi European hospital. Obe nye DB afaba no takradi European hospital. Ebi asa European hospital no. Oko ye di Germany nkrama so be ko obi. Sa oko Europa oko no ma. Yes ye won Germany yin nkrama hospital na aga na veterinary hospital no egusu ye adwuma dia. It minim de person mo che ebi European hospital no ebi mini ho no be ye o pese o ye otu o pese o ye onofo ene ade anka oko European hospital no dia takradi hospital yetumi complete ya ho ne obekum ebi ye nkwa abrochire emma no memia Cleo said then mama brown anka we on kwa abrochire bi on koye oto efia Queen Solomon untumi kwa abrochire koye oto ankata kwa the European hospital won say di nte wutie di no European hospital European kama ma ya twasa show to we mami post mami enwu ya mami pa we call the one mama yana post ya mama because emsa kadia mama person sit tackle the European hospital because time na you say papa no man no say no chase slave queens no chase slave queens ni kaka share ko ti no person ya European hospital e wo tackle the o baby ti hona ka ukwa de ubenya wo India ubenya wo Germany they want the European lifestyle in South Africa Africa boss way but one hospital needing that grade European hospital. The owner came baby or see us a crown and say, oh, Yama. Or see a say, that was a Yama. Oh, when I say, hey, on your boom body shapes, I bear na corner. European hospital, I can mamma peso. I can back crown confirm for your money. Sure boy say, oh, Ghana, see, cannot me from a yes, sleeping Juma. Into a yard, you bet 12 hospital or so. And you became room ho. On funny see come a slave queen twenty a became room ho. And one more pamon to a became room ho. Aka. I Ankadebia Betty a Betifia senior high school penalty. Yeah, see a basic district hospital and so I can room. A Betifia hospital so I can room. These are the hospitals that have been abandoned in this nation. And yes, this is what we are going through as Ghanaians. Now, the air one say, the air two are doing a buying. I yes, will be uncounted in them with Janano hair, me quabrocha, me pa, me shemu, hair, me quabrocha, ma me, Nineska, the Mayamau, me Jenny Toto, hair, Onipa, o near be now, old Janano, why anxious for power, anxious for money, anxious for something, hair, me, Walia, hair, send a Mayam in Yoma. Sanko falling in a 7 when they get whatever they want because of their anxiety. Jimmy at the end of mobile. Oma green and bemubio. It tune him at the show boy now. Obo show papa. Oh, I don't know do hotel now. Comfort ban hotel MPP campaign. You two can show but no catch them some. Abomodam say na me sim sika mfa ma say ya na mundi na me bedina power. Mo kan say me say nya music only but coming back to it, pass Mahama and Atamus Mreso, or say I would have resigned if I was you, President Atamus and Mahama. I would have resigned when the dollar is rising. And some catch like Atamus ne Mahama. And now Kufadu Utia Kunyano so pimpim na wejina so bigish. Ye pia wa ye mpia. Ene we mia wani and na wodi ka aka moto bia hye wani ni wechi and obi obeye ro bia so bo okemi ba hwe ocho bo aka hye afom ye nima won president otini mara ono otini ma o wa mafia mo fi no bin regi na mo dwale nsuo ni na mo dwale ndo ni na wa betena nima wo hu ghetto life wodi ni be diagro e kente ne kemi hwe ono nkasa nkofo na oni ma wo mafia omo. Now I will resign. So ma Akufo-Addo, I'm asking you, would you also resign with you and Baumia? But no point question me person me kan wasen. Adwefo, Mr. Mo, mon kasa asema na mon comment to comment section o mame. Mon bibini a we fi say ye wo ye ba asase so ana ye ba Ghana. Won bibini a black man, black African ni bibini flag, bibini property. I will resign from the post there. A question, maybe sir. One black president now will play political power. If in normal works, private works, company, I want failure at something, why resign that? A question. I want resign from the position that now. That's the me to mama. So I resign panel a combat on in the bush for the lie. Now in the just animal when I see. Because some kofo ni na only my bro ma bo o mine. Oni pa no ti company na on person be resign. Oni dey dia. On person be resign because onim kwase ade a wodi wo company mu onim fasode a wonya inti na on person be resign no. It anytime you bibini nya position bia first eyo no on odwen no woni mfaso onya wo ha onwu ye dia on sole. It only happen and obenya political only Africa pen obenya president watena so almost 20 years oguso teso because onim dia wonya. How enya communism o ye to aba so de bi onu na obi ni. Africa. But you see, dear ma broni, oye bibi na ofoli na or disappointing in mind for or resign say one. No wojuma oye answer the man in position. One, broni ni so the owo. And a two, our mind the kind of policy ni leadership aye create to our mind no. Onye sika answer no the back hospital. One. Onye sika sana when your baby di theater. Two, obroni no onye sika sana when your light any water bill. Join yan say obeye na ejuma. But one, yanko fo na wo man we mu no. The black and it say one on when him so creative jobs here. Two, hospital no omo ankasa nim de omo hospitals no. Three, nim how costly they are always putting tax and an increment on the water and electrical bills into omo mbesi no onye den. Ti enya African for omo solo mu yale they come and travel to the different continent to take care of themselves. O broni e wotu kwan about every Germany pa China so okasa no wala there. Debut. It should tell you say that black man berries. I saw black man. I will say a man award of honesty, award of integrity. A bit see what happened. Oberries and be an uncle for she today. I can't get by any you. In his nest, I'm a good man. Say you. I saw riding up my babies. I didn't see that. Won't be that. I may catch us say aha I Ghana and sell. Ghana and some yes in some to Ghana any day bro. Now me just what and yes my emiro. Hey! I Ghana and some there I Xposed GH. Yes no Ghana and beyond. Me am this manual seven in summer elkoso Ghana. Won't enemy tina. What I say yes no Ghana and beyond. Minya say our program be a then our and our person advertising Ghana and some you say your mouth opportunity bra for Xposed G number na e was your frame when you ndi kasubom and then our person advertising what do you want to advertise here bra for Xposed GH now when you ndi kasubom what I say I when you ndi nkita ho you pay advertise so nyoma na ye ndi ohia people to purchase your stuff and then our business be na we be ejuma be na we friend me am na edwumade bro me din di limo elikem kwame amega da sende ye bese hia Ghana nsem de ye de bro to say ewiase ebebe we da sende ye bese hia bye bye.
Onyodo for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchen papa e de aboso anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda